Their claw grasped the trunk of an old leafy tree. Under a few fallen leaves lies a flock of birds asleep. A sudden disturbed the peaceful chirping melody. Some died, few flee, leaving a wounded bird steep. Silence, his wings are bent and broken. He can't fly. He found himself lying in the muddy forest floor alone, dazed and bewildered as his eyes began to cry. He attempted to fly, but the wind left his wings alone. No one, and no wings to rely on, but die. A silent pledge made to his heart while looking in the dark sky.